In this video, I'll detail how to change back button in Samsung. So whether you're using gesture or you're using buttons, then this video is going to show you how you can change your back button on your Samsung phone, maybe from ear to ear or from ear to ear. So if you're at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change back button in Samsung, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. So open the settings app on your Samsung device. So just go to settings like this. Then on the settings page, scroll down and click on display. Then while on display, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get navigation bar, then click on that. If you are using swipe gestures, go ahead and select buttons. Then once you selected buttons, you should see your buttons like this. Then you can see I'm using this particular button order. Then I have my back button here. You see that? Now to change the back button on your Samsung, all you just need to do is scroll down, click on the second option. That's going to swap the back button from ear to ear. This is where the back button is, and if you select the second option, it's going to change the back button ear. So instead of you to click ear to return from any screen on your Samsung, you just need to click on this particular back button, and that is going to change. And if you want to change it back, click on button order, then you're going to have the back button here. So that is basically how to change back button in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.